Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As we step into 2025, it's the perfect time to revamp our eating habits. Today, we will be sharing 8 effective ways to eat healthier this year. So, follow me today on a quest to find out how to become a healthier you. Tip number 1. Start with small changes. A lot of people think they need to completely overhaul their diet, but that's a recipe for burnout. Instead, focus on small, realistic changes. For example, replace sugary sodas or juices with water or herbal tea. Switch from white bread to whole grain. If you love snacks, trade chips for roasted nuts or air-popped popcorn. These little swaps might seem small, but over weeks and months, they add up to a big difference for your health. Start with one change today, then add another next week. Tip number 2. Eat more whole foods. Start by choosing whole, unprocessed foods. These are foods that are in their natural state, including fresh fruits, vibrant vegetables, whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, and lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and legumes. Not only do they provide essential nutrients, but they also prevent the unwanted additives and preservatives found in processed foods. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables for a boost of vitamins and minerals. Tip number 3. Plan your meals. Meal planning is key. Take time each week to sit down and outline your meals. Consider what healthy recipes you enjoy and make a plan that incorporates both variety and balance. This practice not only helps you avoid those last-minute unhealthy choices, but also saves time and money during the week. Plus, you can batch cook to make things even easier. Tip number 4. Create a grocery list. Before you head to the store, make a grocery list based on your meal plan. This will help you stay focused and resist impulse buys that can derail your healthy eating goals. Try to base your list on fresh ingredients, such as seasonal produce, lean proteins, and whole grains, and limit snacks and sweets. Sticking to your list can keep your kitchen stocked with healthy options. Tip number 5. Mind your portions. Pay attention to portion sizes. Larger serving sizes can often lead to overeating, even when eating nutritious foods. A useful tip is to use smaller plates and bowls to naturally limit your portions. Also, try serving food in the kitchen rather than at the table, which helps prevent the urge to go back for seconds. Tip number 6. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated helps your body function properly, keeps your energy up, and even prevents unnecessary snacking. Often, when we feel hungry, we're actually just thirsty. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, but if you're active or live in a hot climate, you might need more. Keep a reusable water bottle with you, and make it fun by adding lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Tip number 7. Cook more at home. When you cook at home, you control the ingredients and the cooking methods. This means less sugar, less salt, and healthier fats. Don't worry if you're not a chef. Start with simple recipes like stir-fries, sheet pan meals, or hearty soups. Cooking can also be a fun way to spend time with loved ones or even decompress after a long day. Plus, nothing beats the satisfaction of enjoying a meal you made yourself. Tip number 8. Stay consistent. Consistency is everything. The key to success isn't doing it all perfectly, but sticking with it. Keep track of your progress, celebrate small wins, and remember that healthy eating is a lifelong journey. You've got this. That's it for today's video. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to crush your health goals in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.